What's up, everybody? This is Nick with MotoLoader. Just doing a quick unboxing of our adapter and receiver set. So this is just showing what you can expect to receive in the box, or in this case, a bag inside of a box with this kit with the receiver and adapter. So this is part of our basic build kit, but I'm focusing just on the adapter and receiver because this system is really the foundation of the entire platform system. Uh, the bare minimum that you need to get the platform loading and working properly is this kit here. The rest you can really fabricate or find yourself off the shelf with steel tubing and other V-groove wheels and the winch. Even the latches that we recommend, the horizontal and vertical safety latches, those could be fabricated or other systems easily designed to retain the platform in place. But this is really where, the engineered parts that are critical to load the platform. So this is what we call the receiver, because it sits on the trailing edge of the frame and it's what receives the platform. The winch cable, which we recommend a synthetic rope, 1/4 inch, runs through here. There's bearings pressed into these parts. This is what we call the adapter. It goes on the leading edge of the platform, and the winch rope or cable goes through here. It attaches to the center tube, which sits back here behind the leading edge tube of the platform. This gets welded on. You could drill holes and bolt it, but we recommend to weld it. And as you've seen in the videos, or if you haven't, check out the other videos on, this basically will glide through here and get adapted and rolled onto the frame that way. And then these are the two sets, the set of wheels that sit on the outside edge of the frame that receive the V-groove track on the platform when it's loading. And these are also designed with the 1.25" tube that we spec. So this is the inner plate, this is the outer plate. And all of this here, the placement of these wheels relative to the tube, and in turn the placement of this center wheel and sheath in relation to the tube, and the shape of this profile is all designed to work together such that the platform can load smoothly onto the frame. If any of these measurements change slightly, it could impact how the platform loads. And additionally, we have the hitch reinforcement. That's what this slot here is for, the hitch reinforcement accessory. If you have a hitch receiver on your vehicle, we recommend using it to prevent this center section from bowing or sagging too much during loading, because if this shifts down too much or sags down too much, then it throws off these measurements. We have designed some bowing tolerance in these measurements and how the wheels align, but if it's excessive, the platform will not be able to load properly. So we recommend the hitch receiver accessory reinforcement for any load, over 500 or 600 pounds. Obviously, the tailgate strength, or the platform that you're using to load on, the strength of that will determine whether you really need that reinforcement or not. But most tailgates are not designed for that much load just in one specific point of the tailgate. So we recommend that hitch receiver reinforcement. So quick little overview. This is what you can expect to receive, and this is the heart of the system. If there's one thing that you should get to make sure that you can get your platform loading properly, these are the bare minimum parts that we recommend.